Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all my current skincare routine. This was one of the most requested videos on my channel of lately because you people felt that my skin is looking quite radiant. So I hope you all will enjoy today's video, and if you people do, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna cleanse my face. I normally use any of the Pond's face washes. Currently I'm using this one, and I just love to lather it up on my face a little bit, and then I just use some water to rinse it off. I rinse it off completely. I don't use some water, but fishes can dry. I use way too much of water when it comes up to rinsing off the soap from my face. Stepping up, this is something that I do twice in a week, that is masking. I love masking. This is the Choco Face Mask. This one came in my Glam Ego box, and this is amazing. I'm liking it. I've used it like 3 to 4 times but till now, and I am personally in love with this mask. In fact, this is something that I could go ahead and invest in once I switch it over. The speciality of this mask is that you can go ahead and use it as a scrub as well, which is something which I'm going to show you guys a little bit later on in the video. For a while I have just applied this mask all over my face, and I'm going to leave it for like somewhat 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes it has dried to this level. I have washed it off, and then I'm just applying a little bit more on my face and using it as a scrub. The instructions say that you can go ahead and wet it off the dried mask, and then you can scrub your face with the help of the same product, but I don't personally feel comfortable with it because I just don't like anything which is stretchy on my skin for a longer while, as well as I personally feel that it will get wrinkles on my face. So I'm just going ahead taking some more product and just using it as a scrub. This is something that I do twice a week, guys, not a daily routine. Don't do it daily. So here I have just washed my face and I'm just cleaning it off with a towel, and you can see this is how my skin actually looks after all that cleansing. Now it's time for prepping the skin. I am using some rose water. You people know me, I am a huge fan of rose water. I normally always go ahead and use rose water in all my videos. And while the rose water is drying, I'm just taking some lip scrub. This one is the Neemly one, and this even came in my Glam Ego box only, and I'm personally quite liking it. It's not just some kind of miracle or something, but still it just gives my liquid a nice lip to latch onto. That's it. So here you can see me, I've just removed the lip scrub as well as just patted towel dried my face, and here I'm using the aloe vera gel. Now who doesn't knows the benefits of an aloe vera gel? So I am a huge fan of it, and I regularly apply it. Now it's time for some sun protection. I usually apply my sunscreen underneath my skin, or underneath my cream actually. So I'm just going ahead and using the Neutrogena's SPF of 50, and the plus point is it doesn't feel greasy on the skin, which is something I love. Then taking the Neutrogena moisturizer in the variant called combination, because I have combination skin. I'm just applying it all over my face and using my ring finger to apply it around my eyes, because the under eye area is really delicate and it can have wrinkles very quickly. So just be very careful while you're applying any sort of a product under your eye area. It needs a little bit of tender love and care, guys. So with that, my entire skincare is completed. That's how soft my skin usually feels after all that prepping. So this is the makeup look that I came up exactly after applying all of that makeup. Hopefully you people have enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.